everyone. I am Julianne. This is Gian, Tita Jo, Stephanie, and Douglas. So we're going to do now is we're going to interview Miss Joanna on his experience when she was abroad. So first question, what motivates Filipinos to work or live abroad?
Okay. First, I worked at Bahrain for 2 years, 2009 to 2011, as secretary in agency. Okay. The things that motivates, actually I have worked here in Philippines, but the one thing that motivates me to work abroad is for the good future of my family. And also I can earn more than what I earned here in the Philippines.
So second question po is, what challenges do you face when you were abroad?
Challenges. The first challenge is how can I adapt easily the culture on the country like Bahrain. Kasi syempre, we have different culture. And sometimes yung culture natin dito sa Pilipinas, pag nadala mo sa kanila, there's different effect. So yun, how I adapt. Yun yung nag-iisa sa naging mahirap para sa akin. And next is yun, mixing my family here in Philippines. That's the difficult one. Kasi, especially I am a mother. So ayun, yung mapahiwalay ka ng matagal sa mga anak mo, yun yung pinaka-mahirap.
Homesick.
Yeah, homesick.
Next po is, how does being abroad shape their identity as global citizens?
To shape our identity. Okay. As Filipino, when I was in Bahrain, I heard a lot that Filipino is good. So, as Filipino, we can give our best and we can show to others, what do we call this? Yung ibang lahi. Na we are good and we are flexible in everything. We can tulad nung pag-adapt sa culture nila, napapakita na natin, we can show na we can adjust easily. Flexible na ibang taga-ibang bansa.
Magaling din makasama.
Yeah, magaling makasama. Kahit kanino, kahit anong lahi, magaling tayong makasama. Yan, ang isa sa ano. Kaya, ayun, madali tayong kasi ano yung identity natin sa kanila, kapag ano.
Yung next question po is, how can Filipino culture thrive globally?
Okay. Para natin mas mapapaunlad yung culture natin. Okay. Isa doon is yung to buy our own product. Hindi ko masasabi na kasi karamihan nakikita natin ngayon is parang tayo yung nag-aano ng product ng iba. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing lahat is ganon. Pero sana mas madagdagan. And also, promote our own product, especially na tayo ngayon more on media, may promote natin. Merong mga nagpo-promote pero hindi pa rin ganun karami. Sana mas madagdagan para mas makilala tayo sa buong mundo. Diba? Kasi lalo na mas madali natin itong mapapakilala through social media. Yun, kumbaga, karaniwan kasi nakikita natin sa mga TikTok, ginagaya natin ibang bansa, pero hindi naman lahat. Na mas maganda kung yung mismong sa atin ang ma-promote natin para mas makilala tayo sa mundo. Kasi tulad nung tulad ng mga magagaling, may mga ano tayo, may mga invento tayo na nakikilala sa ibang bansa, pero hindi gumawa ng, pinapakilala sila na hindi gawa Pilipino. Pero ang totoo is Pilipino ang gumawa. Mas maganda na mas makilala tayo na tayo talaga yung gumawa nun para mas makikita nila na mas magaling ang mga Pilipino.
Thank you so much. Thank you po.